Hey guys! It's the worst way to start.
Hey guys!
Hey guys! Hi. Hey. Hi. Hey. Hello. Hi. Hey. Hi. It's me. It's me. It's me.
Hi.
It's me. It's me. It's me. It's me. If you don't vlog it, then it didn't happen, so. Hi. I guess I'm doing this. You know, if you don't vlog it, then it didn't happen. So, this is my solo backpacking trip in Europe. I thought I'd record it. Why? I don't know. For myself. For you. You know, you can see Europe in photos on Google, but you can't see it with me. It's rare. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing this, but we'll see. You shouldn't care what people think of you. You should just do what you want. Okay, that's enough. So my first stop is Paris, France. I got off the plane, took a train, trying to get towards my hostel. I was supposed to take another train, but I ended up just walking through the city. Thought that would be nice. It seems like France so far. Some people say France has a smell to it. In certain parts there's a scent, for sure, but hard to say what exactly it is. And I'd rather not. But it's nice so far. Also, right up when I got off the plane, I met this couple who were looking for the same train that I was. They didn't know where it was, I didn't know where it was, and we were just all standing at this one spot waiting for a shuttle to come. I, for some reason, seemed like I knew where I was going, but I really didn't. So they asked me and I tried to help them. And then we ended up walking to the train and somehow ended up in the same train car too. I just walked up to them and started talking to them, and they kind of just gave me their whole life story and that they were traveling. They've been doing this for a while now, and they started giving me suggestions on what to do, and they got engaged last year and they're still traveling. And it was just really cool to start the trip with two nice people who just took time out of their day just to give me a hand. It was nice. Wow. Hey guys. It's me. Day 2 in Paris. Day 1 was a success. Went to the Eiffel Tower, danced in front of the Eiffel Tower to a roaring crowd. Kiki. And saw the twinkling lights. It was nice, and then came back to the hostel and hung out, and I'm on a bridge right now, and last night I jumped off the bridge, I guess. Just a good idea. This is Taylor, my hostel friend, one of many. And today we're going to Notre Dame and other things. Yeah. Okay, see ya. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. We're at Notre Dame. Wow. Look at all those chickens. Hey guys! It's the worst way.
Hey guys!
Hey guys, it's me again. Here at Le Louvre. Didn't go in because I'm cheap, but I get to see things and stuff. And I'm trying to fit in to Europe. So boom! Check that out. Rolled up. Cause I roll up.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so rate, comment, and subscribe down below. Hit the links in the description.
Follow him on the gram.
Yeah, follow me on the gram, saf_butt.